Alright, good morning children. Let's look at the sums, addition on unlike fractions. Simple. Take the LCM of 7 and 21, right? Use the long division method. You'll get the LCM as 21. Now to make this 1 by 7, 7 has to be made 21 because 21 already is the LCM. So it will be multiplied by 3. And if you're multiplying this by 3, you'll also multiply the numerator. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1 over 21. So 4 over 21 is your answer. Similarly, if you go to the next sum, 1 by 64 plus 1 by 4, take the LCM. LCM comes out. I've done the LCM for you so that you keep on revising, right? Take the primary factors, keep on dividing, and then you have to multiply all these. So the LCM is 64. Now 1 over 64, 61 will come like that only, but 1 over 4, this 4 has to be turned into 64, so it will be multiplied by 16. So if it is being multiplied by 16, the numerator also is being multiplied. So 16 plus 1 over 64, 17 over 64. The same goes for the next sums. 2 over 6 plus 3 over 18, LCM is 18. Now 6 3s are 18, 2 3s are 6. So 6 plus 3 over 18, and this is how you get the answer, right? And the LCM comes over there. Just focus on this. Alright, you can stop the video wherever you feel the need. 2 over 9 plus 3 over 36. So LCM is 36. Now 9 has to be turned into a 36. So you'll multiply the numerator denominator by 4. 2 into 4 into over 9 into 4. So 36. So 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 over 36. 11 over 36. Now similarly here 3 over 4 plus 1 over 16. LCM comes out to be 16. The same process goes on. And this is what you get, 3 into 4, 4 into 4. Why? Because this 4 has to be made into a 16. So 4 into 4, 16, 3 into 4, 12, right? So 12 plus 1 over 16. 16 is common, so we're just writing 16 like this. So 13 over 16. I hope no problems in these first 5 sums. Now look at this, 3, 9 and 24. Again use the long division method. Keep on multiplying. Dividing first and then multiplying, and you'll get the LCM. Now this one, 3 into 24 will give you a 72. So you have to multiply the numerator also. 9 into 8, so you have to multiply the numerator also. And 24 into 3, so you have to multiply. So 48 plus 24 plus 12, it will give you 84 over 72, and you have to turn it into a mixed number. So 1, 12 over 72. Now further, can you reduce it? 12 ones are 12, 12 6 are 72. So 1 over 6 will be your answer over here. So now let's look at the... Okay. Now coming to the sum, 9 over 81 plus 3 over 4 plus 4 over 5. To take out the LCM, again you can use the long division method, but it will take you a lot of time. Now I'll tell you a trick. 4, 5, 81. Is there anything common? Can they be divided by any common number? No. Right? So the best thing is multiply this by this by this. 81 into 4 into 5 will give you 1620 to find the LCM. If you are getting confused by this, just use the long division method. Right? Otherwise, if there is nothing common in the denominators, multiply all 3 or 4 or 5 or howsoever, how many are given over there. Alright. So for example, if I give you 3, 4, 5, is there anything common between 3, 4, 5? No. So to get the LCM, what will we do? We'll multiply 3 into 4 into 5, 60. And 60 can be divided by 3, 60 can be divided by 4, 60 can be divided by 5. So it's the LCM, rightful LCM. Here 1620 can be divided by all 3 numbers. Now 81 into 20 will give you 1620. So you have to multiply the numerator. Similarly here 405. Right, so you'll have to multiply 324, you'll have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. So 1620 is common, 180 plus 1215 plus 1296, use partitioning method, thousands place 1000, 1000, 2000, right? And hundreds place 200, 100, 300, 500, see? 2000 plus 500, I've done this for you, right? Plus, now you must be wondering, where did this 180 come from? Right? So So you have done the hundreds place, that is 500. Now do the tens place. 90 plus 10, 100, right? 100 plus 80 is 180, right? How? Look at this, look at this. 1 minute, children. Just a moment. Let me settle this. Yes. See, look at this. Look at the tens place. 90 plus 10, 100 and 880. So 500 plus 180 plus 11. So you do your calculations. You'll get 2691 over 1620. Now divide this and you will get this answer as a mixed fraction 1071 over 1620. Alright, so this is how you can get the answer even for the bigger fractions. Class 4 need not worry too much on this, but class 5 needs to understand this. 2 over 7 plus 3 over 9 plus 4 over 8. Again, nothing common. Multiply. You'll get the LCM 504. Keep on multiplying. 7 into 72, 9 into 56, 8 into 63. So the numerators also will be multiplied by the same values. You will get this. Use the partitioning method. See, 200, 300, 400 plus 150. How? 10 plus 550, right? Plus 14. So 150 plus 14. So 400 plus 100 now 500 and 50 is there and 14 is there. So 500 plus 64 is 564. Multiply and this is what you will get as the answer. You can further reduce this 60 over 504 if you want, right? So you can divide it by 2. Alright. Still you get the least fraction. So let's do it. Let's divide it by 2. Okay. Let's divide it by 2. So write 1 here. 2 how many times 60? 30 times 60. And 2 25 is 50. 2 2s are 4. Further it can be divided, see. 15s are 30. Right? And 2 12s are 24. 2 6s are 12. So now you can leave it at this. Right? So 115 over 126, the smallest fraction that you can reduce it to is this much. Alright. Now let's look at the last two. Okay, now look at this. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 16 plus 2 by 4. Now here there is a problem, my dear. You cannot just multiply it because 16 and 4 are common, right? So what do? We use the long division method. We can use the factorization method also, which I'll show you in the next sum, right? But use the long division method and your LCM comes out to be 240, right? Factorization also I've used over here. See, 3 into 5 into 16. Take the bigger number out of these, which are common, right? Which can be divided by a common factor. But you can use the long division method for your clarity. Just keep on multiplying. See, 2 to the 4 to the 6 to the 12, 12 into 3 into 5. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 into 3 into 5. Right? So that is what I have done, 16 into 5 into 3. So, in case of factorization method, if you get 16 and 4, break them into smaller numbers. 2 into 8 is 16. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 cube is 16. And 2 into 2, that is 2 square is 4. So 2 cube is bigger one, right? So 8 into 2. Right, so if you are getting confused by factorization, let's not try it over here. Let's focus on the long division method. Don't worry, because I know, at times factorization method can be very, very confusing for children. We'll see it in the next sum. Don't worry. So use the long division method. Keep on dividing. The same thing. So common is 240. So to make it 240, you'll have to divide it. See again the mistake. These are silly errors that I also keep on making. So it has to be by 80, not 8. 240, 3 into 80 and 1 into 80. So 80, right? So we'll add that. Don't worry. So we'll turn the answer into a right one. Just give me a moment. See children, at times silly mistakes like I made, not making it 80 and just multiplying it by 8 would have led me to a different answer. So just be careful over there. right? So 80 plus 96 plus 45 plus 180 over 240. Now add them, use the partitioning method. 80 plus 96 plus 45 plus 180, right? So what will you do? Hundreds place 100, and 80 is 160, right? So 100 plus 160, and 90 and 40 is 130 plus 11. So this will be 390 plus 11, 401. So you'll get 401 over 240, and your answer will be 161 over 240. Just check the calculations at your end also, okay, for this sum. All right, now let's come to the last one. Here is where I was talking about the factorization method. You can actually use the long division method like this, right, and get the answer which if you're comfortable with, or you can just do like 6 is 2 into 3, right? So 2 into 3 is 6. 8, just use prime factors. 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2, right? So you just can use 2 3 5 7, those kind of factors, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, and 9 is 3 into 3 9, right? And 12 is 3 into 6 into 2, right? 3 into 4 is 12, 3 into 2 into 2. Now here 2 into 3, let it come out like this, into 2 cube into 3 square into 2 square. So now see what is happening. Now 2 cube is 8, and take the biggest power, highest power, right? So 2 cube is the highest power, 2 into 2 into 2. So 8, and 3 square 9 is equal to 72. So this is the factorization method. Again, I think you might have problems in understanding this, so you go with the long division method only. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 6 are 12, right? So let the 2 come, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, let the 9 come, right? So now what is there? Nothing, 3 is left, okay? So this 2 is 2 1s are 2, right? Let the 3 come, 9, 3 come. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3, the 9, and this was 3, right? 3 1s are 3, and this will be 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, right? Now 3 1s are 3, so just do it. 2 into 2 into 2, it's 2 cube, see, and 3 into 3 is 3 square, see. So 72 anyways will be the LCM, right? Just focus on this, the long division method. 72 will be the LCM, and to make it 72, 12 6 are 72, 8 9s are 72, 9 8s are 72, 12 into 6 is 72, so 72, and this whatever you multiply the numerators with, and you'll get this answer, and just turn it, and that will be the answer. I hope you enjoyed this exercise, right? And keep practicing sums like this at home as well. Thank you very much.